Hi, I'm Brad Urban, Product Manager over Sawzall Blades, a category that Milwaukee invented back in 1951. Ever since then, we've been the market leader in that category by listening to our end users, delivering on their needs, and providing best-in-class solutions when it comes to blades. Today I'm going to walk you through 3 different demos that you can run at your customers to show the unmatched productivity that the end user is going to see by using Milwaukee Sawzall blades, which are best in class. The first demo I'm going to walk you guys through is a head-to-head speed test of the Axe versus the Diablo carbide tipped wood blade. The material you're going to use is a pressure treated 4x4, and what you want to do is drive 5 12D nails into the end and then on the other end as well. Then what you want to do is mark how deep those nails went in so you know where to make your cuts. Now when you're going up against that Diablo carbide tip blade, a blade that's 2 to 3 times the cost of your standard Axe blade, here are some key features you want to point out. It's going to be a 9 TPI back in that main strike zone, so it's going to be an extremely slow cut. In addition to that, it's not going to be very efficient in cordless. The Axe is going to provide best-in-class cuts per charge, up to 35% more efficient in our cordless tools, a market that's growing rapidly here at Milwaukee Tool.
Ready, set, go.
So as you guys can see, the Milwaukee Axe blade is going to be 2 to 3 times as fast as our competition. That 5 TPI design with the nail guard to rip nails and not teeth is going to give best-in-class performance when it comes to speed. You'll see that Diablo with the 9 TPI in the back. It's going to be extremely slow and definitely not worth that investment. The Milwaukee Axe blade is going to be hands down the best wood cutting blade on the market. The next category I want to talk to you guys about is our metal cutting blades. With the introduction of the double duty upgrade, Milwaukee introduced the Tough Neck, the Gridiron, and an optimized tooth form across all TPIs to give us best-in-class life and durability in our metal cutting blades. If you look at the competition, what they're doing is actually thinning out their blades to save cost, which is giving worse durability and decreased life in Lennox blades, Diablo blades, and Morse blades. The way that we're going to highlight that today is an accelerated life test and a very common material, 1.5 EMT. We're going to do 2 cuts each, see how many teeth are lost, and that's going to show us the very poor durability of the competition and the best-in-class blades for the Milwaukee Torch. As you guys can see, the Milwaukee Torch blades are going to be best in class for life and durability. You look at the competition, the Lennox and the Morse blades lose anywhere from 5 to 10 teeth in 2 simple cuts in a very common material. Milwaukee Torch blades are going to have unmatched durability to give you the longest life to your end users. The last category I want to talk to you guys about is our application-specific blades. These are blades that are exclusive to Milwaukee. You're not going to find them from any other competitor. The way that we develop these blades is by going out on the job sites and understanding true end user frustrations. We're going to make these blades to give unmatched productivity on the job site. These blades are going to include our flush cut, rough in, HVAC ductwork, and drywall access blade. In addition to that, you're going to have the diamond torch blade, which we're going to demo today. what we're going to do is cut cast iron, a material that this blade is made for. In addition to that, we're going to make a cut with the Diablo carbide tipped metal blade. It says right on there that that blade is made for cast iron. Try to make one cut, see what the results are. As you guys can see, that Diablo carbide tipped metal blade couldn't even start one cut in cast iron, a material that it specifically calls out on the blade. Now the diamond torch, you see, went through, had no problem cutting the cast iron. Again, a material that it's specifically made to cut. Now with our application specific blades, what we do is listen to the end users, see where they're frustrated, and provide user-based solutions and unmatched productivity, rounding out that category for all Sawzall blades.